Hi everybody, today we're going to do day 4 notes, which are on tax, tip, discount, and markup. Now, it seems like a daunting thing because there's just so many words. However, tax, tip, and discounts you guys already deal with on a day-to-day basis. Every time you purchase something, there's a tax related to it. Every time you go out to a restaurant, you always tip a waiter. When you go shopping, a lot of times there's sales, and those are all discounted items. Markup is something that you guys probably don't know as well, but that's okay because we'll go over it. However, all of these things deal with percents, okay? And you all said you understood percents really well, and it's really just making that percentage proportion and using that to help understand how this stuff works, okay? We will talk about it more in class. We'll also be doing a class work project kind of thing to help you guys make the connection between the stuff that we're learning in class to real life things. Okay? So, we will be doing that on next class, which is Friday. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So, starting with the vocab, I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. If you need to pause the video so you can finish writing it all down, go for it, but I'm basically just going to read it. So tax, also known as sales tax, is a percentage of your total that you have to pay in addition to your total. It goes to the government, okay? So there's food tax, there's clothing taxes, all this stuff that we really don't think about very often, but we probably should, okay? Tip, also known as a gratuity, is the percentage of your total that you pay in addition to your total, but that's given to someone for the services they gave you. So a lot of time you'll see it for waiters and waitresses. Other people might be like a mechanic, a babysitter, like someone who does your nails kind of stuff, a bus driver sometimes gets tips, cab drivers, Uber drivers, all that fun stuff. So that's something that you guys see on a day-to-day as well. Discount, also known as a sale, is the percentage of the total that's taken off from the total. So if something's 50% off, that means 50% of the total we don't have to pay. We don't have to pay that price then. Okay, so it's taken away. The markup is actually the percentage that is added to the cost of a price, and it's used to make a profit. So, for example, your tennis shoes, whatever you bought them for, they didn't really cost that much to make. They cost a lot less. So, they end up marking up the price so that they can make a profit and actually make money off of them. Okay? The wholesale price is the cost of the production of that product. Okay? So, this wording is very confusing, and I apologize that I didn't reread this before I gave it to you, but we'll go with it. If the problem just asks you straight up for the tax, the tip, the discount, or the markup amount, they're asking you for the dollar amount of that percentage. So they'll probably give you a percentage, and they want to know what's the money value of it. Or vice versa, they could give you the money value and want another percentage. Now, if the problem asks for the total, you'd probably need to find the dollar amount of the percentage, and either you'd be adding it to the price, so that happens to the original price. That happens for tax, tip, or markup when we add it, or you could be subtracting it from the price, again, the original price, for discount problems. Okay? So let's try a couple of examples. Oh, I didn't... Where? Alright, so if the sales tax in your city is 9.6%, how much tax would you pay for an item that costs $57? How much would you pay total? Round to the nearest cent. So a lot of this stuff is it's all dealing with money. So when we round our things, we gotta think all these decimals like money. Okay? So, for step 1, we need to find the monetary value, the money value of that 9.6%. Okay, so we're going to create a proportion, and I just reworded it. They're asking what is the money value of 9.6% of that total 57. So that's how I'm going to create my proportion. So first given, always in a proportion, for percents at least, is 100. Okay, I have the percentage is 9.6. I don't know what the of or the is, so that's my variable. The of is 57. Okay, now that I have a proportion, I can cross multiply. So I'm skipping a couple steps that I've shown you before, just because I think you guys already have it and you don't need to see it. So when I'm multiplying 9.6 and 57 multiplied together gives me 54, I don't know, what's that? 550, wow, 547.2. Okay, x in 100 just becomes 100x. So now I'm going to get x by itself. I divide by 100, and I end up getting x is 5.472, and I need that to be a money value, so I change it to money, so it's $5.47 in sales tax. So that's how much I'm paying just for tax. Now, to figure out the total, which they also asked, I would go ahead and add the price, the 57, and the tax that I got, so the $5.47. I'm going to move this over here. And I got $62.47, and that's my final answer. Okay, that's my total. All right, so now you guys are going to try this one on your own about some new jeans, and it's for a sale. So remember, that's what you're taking off, like you're taking it off the original price. All right, I'm going to move on to example 2. So if you need to pause the video to do your try on your own, or you're going to save it for later, that's fine. Example 2 says Gabriella eats at a restaurant and the cost for a meal is $45. She actually left the waiter $50.58. What percentage of the bill did Gabriella pay for the tip? Well, what we need to know is how much money did she actually leave strictly for the tip? So we're going to take our total, $50.58, and subtract the price, which was $40. That would leave us with the tip. So she left $5.58. Okay? So we need to figure out what percentage is $5.58 of the $50.58 that she left. Okay? Well, I think I did this wrong. We'll go with it. If I did this wrong, I think I might have, because yeah, this was supposed to be of $45, not 40. Okay, so let's just change that really quickly. Clickety click 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 click. Let me change it. Meh. Okay, guys. Can you do me a favor? Every time you see a 50.58, change it to 45. Okay? Because I don't know why it's not letting me change it. It's really weird. Normally I can. Alright. So we'd set up the proportion. I'm debating if I want to continue on with this problem. I'm going to stop. We're going to do this problem in class because I messed it up. It shouldn't be of the total. It should have been of the price of the meal. So you guys can try it on your own if you want to, but we'll go ahead and do this one. So you will be trying this one on your own, okay? So it's just like the tax one. Tip is no different than tax, other than who the money actually goes to. The math is still the same. So go ahead and try this one on your own. Okay, you can pause the video. We'll do example 3. Okay. Leah buys a basket of oranges on sale for $20 before tax. The sales tax is $8. What is the total price Leah pays for the basket of oranges? So that means the price she actually paid, $20, and the sales tax. So we need to find the money value of the tax. So what is 8% of 20? So I set up my proportion. Hundreds a given. There's 8%. I don't know the is, so that's my x, but my of is 20. So I go ahead and cross multiply. I end up getting 100x equals 160. Divide everything by 100. She's paying 1.6, which is 1.60 cent, like $1.60 in tax. So total, she'd be paying, the total price is the price she paid plus the tax, so 20 plus 1.6, so she's paying $21.60 total. Okay? Again, I apologize if I'm going really fast. I'm trying to make it like around 10 to 12 minutes. So you guys are going to try this one. This is 50% off, so it's a sale, it's a discount. Okay? Now, example 4, the manager at the Tiffany's furniture store is trying to figure out how much to charge for a table that just arrived. If the table was bought at a wholesale price, so that's how much it costs just to make, $86. And Tiffany's furniture store marks up their furniture by 70%. At what price should the manager sell the table? So what we need to do is find what 70% of the $86 is. Okay? And then what we're going to do is add that to the $86. So first I set up my proportion. Hundreds a given. I got a 70%. I don't know what my is. Sorry. Now you know I'm doing it after school. Great. The of is 86. So I cross multiply. 100 times x to the 100x. 70 times 86 is 6,020. Divide everything by 100. So $60.20 is how much the price is going to be increasing by. Okay? So they're going to actually tack on $60.20 to their price. So to get the markup price, we take the wholesale plus the increase that we just found, add it together. They're going to sell the table for $146.20. So this increase that you got, the percentage that it was marked up, that's how much they're putting in their pocket. That's the profit they made. Okay? So the last one you're going to go ahead and try on your own. I apologize for example 2. I was doing it very quickly and didn't pay attention. So if you have any questions, please write them down. Other than that, we will go over all of this in class, okay? All right, that's all I got for you. So you guys have a good day. Bye.